My favorite thing about classical conversations is the people. You think that you're getting into a great educational program, and you come across all of these amazing parents and families. Some of the best friends that I've ever had in my life, I know them because of classical conversations. The education is wonderful, but it's almost secondary to the amazing benefits of the people. It's amazing the bonds that we've built over these last 5 years. Really, at the end of the day, we want our kids to have an amazing education, but we are sending our children into this world, and we want our kids to be able to stand toe-to-toe with this world and be able to defend their faith. CC really helps you to get that foundation. I love that they are getting, they have a safe place to explore their faith, and that biblical worldview is being reinforced. What we're doing at home is what's happening in the classroom. How important is it to you to be involved in your child's education? How important is it to you to instill your values in your child? How important is it to you to be a part of something that's a little bit bigger than you? How important is it to you to have your child be a part of something that's just a little bit bigger than them? Everything that I wanted for my children's education, every question I asked, Classical Conversations was the answer.